Hello everyone, I'm Imoka from NigeriaOnlineBiz.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to make money on ySense. So if you are struggling with how to make money from paid software, ySense is your starting point. This video will walk you through exactly what you need to do so you can start earning money from ySense. So let's get started. The first thing you do is to search for ySense. You can use Google search. Okay, this is ySense. You click on ySense. Okay, next thing you do is to sign up and start earning money. So you can input your email address here. Okay, select your password. You can put any password of your choice. Then check the box to agree in terms of use. Click join now. Then complete the registration. Okay, then click next. Select a username. Select a special username. Okay, if they reject the username you're using, you can choose another one. Okay, I'm trying to select a special username. Yes, we're all set. Okay, good. Now the next thing you do, it will take you to the page. You agree in all their terms and conditions. Click agree and continue. Now you need to complete your profile to continue. Check your email address once you are done. So you check your email address, they will send you a message for you to validate your link. Alright, so you check your email address. So you go back, enter your email address and then check for the validation link. Okay, alright, so you open the email address and check for the validation link. You can, if it's not in your inbox, you can check your spam folder. Alright, yeah, it's here. So you click on this. You can see ySense on your email. You say activate your email. Now activate your account. You click activate. Alright, once you click activation, your email is being validated, verified. Okay, good. So this is your dashboard. Now I say complete survey and start earning. So once you complete any survey, next you do is to complete your profile. Enter all you need to do in your profile, and once you complete your profile, you can start taking survey. Okay, and that's all. If you include your payment, you can start. Once your payment is accrued, you can see the different method of payment. Okay, check your payment history and see the different method of payment. Okay, so you have not earned any money. Alright, more. You can check all this to see how you are being paid. You have a referral. You can refer people to this, and then you also earn money, and that is all. Thank you very much. Bye. Click on our referral link below.